What up, YouTube? So today I got this GTA car kit, so I'm gonna update this Lexus of ours. Right now I have a cigarette lighter FM tuner, and it works, but quite frankly it kind of sucks. You know, you get a lot of static still. Phone wise, if I take a phone call, it sucks. So I just want to update this car. It is quite old, it's 2006, but it's only got like 80,000 miles on it, so it's a cream puff. We're gonna ride this till the wheels fall off. But meanwhile, these guys sent everything. A module comes with an aux cord, a charging option. All I gotta do is pull everything out and install it on the back of the factory stereo. Run the mic to right here so I can have some Bluetooth on the phone, and seems like a pretty straightforward process. Well, check it out. Just spinning off the shifter. Put that in there. So, oh shit! Was not expecting it to come loose like that. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, it went all the way down there. Oh, bitch. Both screws fell.
Good.
The other one, I have no idea where it fell. All right. Well, I got it out, so. I haven't seen a connection like this since like old school Dell computers. There, that empty slot is where we're going to plug in the module. There it is, this side. We got plenty of room. The microphone from here behind under this panel, and then up to this A-frame, so I'll be sitting right here. All right, so I'm gonna start from the top, and I'm just gonna pull away this piece and push. Just kind of push that in right there. I'm okay with that. And I'm gonna run this wire all the way through there. I'm just gonna reach behind and grab that. There. Keep that all in the way, and I think we're able to. There we go. There it is, microphone. Nice. And next, what we're going to do is run the aux cord through the glove compartment, as well as the USB charging cable. You know what's going to suck is in like, I don't know, however many years, when iPhone changes their plug from the current iPhone 11 charging cable to pull this shit all out and insert a new USB charging cable. Because like I said, we're riding this week Lexus till the wheels fall off. There's the aux cord plugged in. There it is. And USB charging cable connected. Let me start putting all this shit back. There it is, GTA car kit. And I'm connected. Oh, shit. Oh, that's awesome. So as soon as I get in, it automatically connects to my phone now. I'm really pleased with this joint. Oh.